Alexa, turn on my neons.
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about!
SmartMouseTech.
Welcome back everyone, the mouse is in a house. My name is Kamil and this is SmartMouseTech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get yourself a professional looking neon for under $50. Since the last video came out, many people have reached out to me saying that they really like the set, the colors and in particular the neon signs. And I thought to myself, why not to make a video about just that? So when I was starting this YouTube channel, I more or less had a rough idea of how I wanted the set to look like. And once I had my mouse logo and banners, which are dominated by three colors, blue, purple and pink, I thought that my set should match that color profile as well. Coincidentally, at that time I was playing a video game, Cyberpunk 2077, which is a great game by the way, and I really recommend it. And that game is just full of neon lights, so I thought to myself, hey, this cyberpunk atmosphere would be great for my YouTube channel. And suddenly all I wanted was my own neon. But then I crashed into a major roadblock as I realized that custom-made neons are freaking holy mouse expensive. And we're talking about between $300 and $1,000 per 1 square meter kind of expensive. And that simply wasn't a price that I was willing to pay. And when I almost lost any hope, I said to myself, you've got to be a smart mouse about this, there must be a better way. And that's when I found this. Lepro N1 AI Smart Neon Robe. This is basically what happens when regular LED strips go to the gym, discover AI and come back glowing. In the box you get the neon rope itself, the power adapter and controller, mounting brackets, screws and the user manual. So everything you need to start turning a boring wall into something that looks like a futuristic gaming cave. Installation is pretty simple. Plan your shape first, clean the surface, attach the brackets, press the rope into place, plug it in and then pair it with the Lepro app. The light itself is flexible, bright and has that smooth neon look without obvious LED dots. Because it's RGBIC, different sections can show different colors at the same time, which makes it way more interesting than a basic light strip. But the app is where the fun begins. You can change colors, brightness, animations, speed, set schedules, use music sync, create your own DIY effects, or ask the AI to generate lighting based on the mood, activity, or vibe. So whether you want gaming energy, cozy movie night, party mode, or simply I live inside a cyberpunk mouse tunnel kind of a vibe, this thing gets the job done. So, in order to create my neons, I started by printing out two banners, one showing my mouse logo and the other one showing the SMT acronym. I did this for two reasons. First, I didn't want to stick the ropes directly to the wall because if I ever have to move places, it will save me a lot of hassle with unsticking the ropes and sticking them back again and possibly leaving some residue on the wall. And second, I needed some kind of a guide to know how to stick the ropes. As those neons represent my YouTube channel, I needed the shape to be precise and especially the mouse logo neon had to be accurate. But then I had to figure out how long should the neon rope be in order to cover the area. You see, the rope comes in three different sizes, 3, 6 and 10 meters, and obviously I didn't want it to be either too short or too long. And for that I used a brilliant app called My Measures, which comes with a feature that allows you to measure objects in photos. And by the way, you can download this app for free from the App Store. So I simply took a picture of my banner, uploaded it into the app, and I gave the app one reference dimension, meaning I had to know the exact length of just one object in that photo. And that was easy because I knew that my banner was a square and each side was exactly 1 meter long. And then I manually drew lines across the mouse shape and the outer circle, and the app calculated their dimensions based on the known reference dimension. In the end, the sum of all the lines was 612 centimeters, so I knew that the right size to order was 6 meters. And surprisingly, the size I needed for the second neon was exactly the same. The My Measures app did an amazing job, so I hereby officially awarded the world's most prestigious and shiny mouse approval. And you're gonna find the link to download the app in the description below. So when the ropes arrived, I attached them to my banners, which was a bit challenging when it comes to my SMT neon. These ropes are very elastic and bending friendly, unless your design is very complicated, and unfortunately that was exactly the case with my SMT neon. There was just too many bends and curvatures, so even though the attachment clips come with a very strong self-adhesive stickers, the spring elastic forces, or however you call it in physics, were simply too strong, so I had to use some extra clips, super glue and even some thin sewing threads to hold the whole thing in place. Luckily, the other design was simple enough, so attaching the rope to my mouse banner was like walk in the park. The rope just stayed in place without any extra help. And when my neons were finally ready, I realized that those ropes work with Amazon Alexa as well, and I was like, does this mean that I can actually control these neons with my voice? And the answer was yes. And setting it up literally took like 2 minutes, so suddenly they weren't just an interactive neons for $50 anymore, they became an interactive voice-controlled neons for $50. So the moment of truth was finally here. Were the neons I wanted so much just a silly goose empty hope, or was it the smart mouse dream turning into reality? Okay, here goes nothing. Alexa, turn on my neons.
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about!
That sounds interesting.
So there I was, staring at my very own voice-controlled interactive neons, and honestly I had my Matthew McConaughey in Interstellar moment, getting all emotional. All I could think about was happy crying dolphins for some reason, and it just felt like being in Disneyland again, but like a Cyberpunk version. So I've been using them for a few weeks now, and I'm extremely happy. The colors are bright and vibrant, the different visualizations and special effects are amazing, and most importantly, they stay in place and they don't come off. So this Lepro neon rope usually sells for around $49 for the 3-meter length option, and I have to mention that there's also another brand that makes high quality neon ropes, and it's called Govee. I've been using their products before, mostly TV backlights, and I absolutely love this company. The price is pretty much the same as Lepro, and you just can't go wrong with either of these brands. So I recommend Lepro and Govee neon ropes, and guess what? That's freaking right. Both of them deserve the highly coveted mouse approval. And if you want to check the current price in your country, you'll find the links in the description below. So there you go, now you know how to make your very own professional looking interactive voice controlled neon for less than $50, and all the cyber mouses out there are happy sliding on those neon ropes like crazy. And if you're one of them and you like this video, then please let me know in the comments below, and also how would you go about making your own neon? Would you have done it differently? And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then a smart mouse move would be to simply smash this subscribe button, because this is one of those choices in life that you won't regret. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and work on the next video, so the mouse is out and I'll see you soon.
SmartMouseTech.